गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू. मी सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांचे स्वागत करतो PYQ सिरीज में. ओके, सो वी विल स्टार्ट द प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस ऑफ हैलो अल्केन्स एंड हैलो एरेन्स. ठीक है, सो इस चैप्टर में से वो प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस कैसे आए अभी हम डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके, सो दे हैव मेनली फोकस्ड ऑन the nucleophilic substitution reactions of haloalkanes and also elimination reactions of haloalkanes and some electrophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes also. They have mainly focused on these main reactions. Okay, हम डिस्कस करेंगे कैसे सॉल्व करना, ठीक है, एंड लेस्ट टाइम में कैसे सॉल्व करना अभी हम डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके बेटा, राइट, वी विल स्टार्ट नाउ. राइट, द फर्स्ट वन देखिए क्या दिया, एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन दिया, एलिमिनेशन ऑफ अल्किल हैलाइड रिएक्शन दिया. क्या है, एलिमिनेशन ऑफ 2 ब्रोमोपेंटेन टू फॉर्म पेंटटोइन. इट फॉलोज which type of mechanism it is, which type of reaction it is. It is beta elimination reaction beta. Okay, so here what it forms here, 2 bromopentane. What is 2 bromopentane? This is a 2 bromopentane. This 2 bromopentane will give 2 pentene. It gives 2 pentene beta, right? Like this. Sorry, this is 1 pentene, right? This is 1 pentene. What is the 2 pentane? 2 pentene here, right? So which hydrogen is removed here? This one, right? This hydrogen, the hydrogen which is connected to the carbon having less number of hydrogen atoms, right? So this hydrogen is removed, right? Like this. So which product it is? It is Sajoff product. Yes or no? This elimination reaction follows Sajoff rule. Yes or no? So this is Sajoff rule. Right? So which type of reaction it is? What we are removing here? We are removing HBr. Yes or no? So it is dehydrobromination. It is also called as dehydrohalogenation reaction beta. Right? So what is answer now? Answer is A, B, C. These 3 are correct. It is beta elimination and it follows Sajoff rule, and here it is a dehydrohalogenation reaction. Right? So answer is ये. The next question क्या दिया, इट्स न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन दिया. इसमें से क्या दिया, रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन पूछ रहे हैं, राइट? विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिएक्शन इज द स्लोएस्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिएक्शन है स्लोएस्ट रेट. ठीक है, विच वन हियर आपको पता है. If the halogen is connected to sp2 carbon atom, it is very bad leaving group, right? सबको पता है statement. Halogen, if it is connected to sp2 carbon, it is very bad leaving group, right? So here this halogen is connected to sp2 carbon atom. It is connected to sp3 carbon. It is connected to sp3 carbon. It is also connected to sp3 carbon atom. So these 3 are very fast when compared with the first one. So answer is A. Asking slowest rate. Asking which of the following is a slowest rate. Answer is A. Very simple reaction it is. Gunshot question it is. Okay, right. The next question we will see. So the compound A on treatment with sodium gives B and with PCl5 gives C. The moment you see PCl5, what is the reactant that you must know? What is PCl5? It is a strong halogenating agent. So the reactant must be alcohols or carboxylic acids. Alcohols are carboxylic acids. But what is the next reaction? B and C that react together to give diethyl ether. So it is formed ether, right? So what is the reactant? It is alcohol. It is not carboxylic acid. If it is carboxylic acid, it gives esters, right? So क्या दिया, reactant क्या है, alcohol है. Reactant is alcohol. This alcohol when treated with sodium will form alkoxide ion by acid metal reaction. It is a metal, it is acid. It has some acidic nature, right? So it gives alkoxide but when it reacts with PCl5, it forms Cl. Yes or no? OH is replaced by Cl because it is a strong halogenating agent. It is. Okay, right. So here OH is replaced by Cl. So alkyl halide and it is alkoxide ion. So which type of reaction it is? Williamson ether synthesis, right? So RO minus will attack on this alkyl halide, will give ethers. What is given? Diethyl ether is given. Diethyl ether. Diethyl ether C2H5O C2H5. This is given, right? So what is the alkyl halide now? Alkyl halide is C2H5Cl. What is alcohol? C2H5OH. So what is the answer now? A is, the reactant is alcohol, that is C2H5OH. And the alkoxide ion is C2H5O minus, Na plus. And the other one is C2H5Cl. So answer is D. Answer is D. Okay, right. The next reaction. The compound C7H8 undergoes the following reactions. This reaction is given. This reaction is given, right? So what is C7H8? How to write the formula? आपको कैसे पता चलेगा ये structure? कैसे लिखना है? So if you look at the options, आपको मिलेगा answer. Look at here, toluene, 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 toluene. So this is toluene. The word C7H8 is nothing but toluene, right? So you write the toluene. This is the toluene, right? CH3. Right, CH3. This reactant reacts with Cl2 at high temperature. At a high temperature, Cl2 will undergo which type of cleavage? It will undergo homolysis. It will undergo homolysis at a high temperature, will generate free radicals. Now these free radicals are more reactive with benzylic hydrogen atoms. So all these benzylic hydrogen atoms are replaced by chlorine radicals because 3 moles are given, right? So what you will get here? You will get a dichloro derivative, CCl3. What is the CCl3? It is strongly deactivator. It will bring incoming electrophile to meta position. What is given here? Br2 in the presence of Lewis acid. Look at here, any halogen in the presence of sunlight or at a high temperature will generate free radicals, but any halogen in the presence of Lewis acid will generate electrophiles, right? So what it will form? It will form Br2 plus. It will form Br2 plus. It will form Br plus, it will form Br plus, that is the electrophile. That electrophile will come to meta position because CCl3 is electron withdrawing group, right? So you will get this compound. CCl3, you will get meta-bromo derivative. Meta-bromo derivative that you will get. And next reagent kya diya? Zn in the presence of acid. It is a reducing agent, right? It reduces the halides. It reduces the halides. But which halides? The halogen atoms again, they must be connected to sp3 carbon atom only. If it is connected to sp2 carbon, it cannot be removed by this reducing agent. So it can reduce only those halides which are connected to sp3 carbon atoms. So all these three halides are converted into CH3. This CCl3 is converted to CH3, that you will get CH3 and here Br. CH3 Br. Right? Right. Answer is metabromotoluene. Answer is A. Answer is A. Okay? Right. The next reaction, what is given here? Identify A and predict the type of reaction. क्या पूछ रहे? Types of reaction पूछ रहे. So कौन सा which mechanism will it follow? It is क्या? It is aryl halide. Aryl halide mainly undergo electrophilic substitution reaction and very rarely undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction, and it is classified into 2 types. The nucleophilic substitution reactions are classified into 2 types. What are those 2 types? One is one substitution reaction will follow addition followed by elimination. The other one will follow elimination followed by addition. But which one will follow addition followed by elimination, and which one will follow elimination followed by addition? That is important, beta. So when it follows elimination followed by addition, when there is an electron donating group in the benzene ring, then that will follow elimination followed by addition mechanism. Okay, that will follow benzene mechanism. Okay, what is this? It is sodamide. Sodamide is a strong base. The strong base will remove beta hydrogen from sp2 carbon atom. If you want to remove beta hydrogen from sp2 carbon atom, we have to use only NaNH2. It is a strong base. It is. Sodamide is a strong base. It can remove the hydrogen from sp2 carbon atom. So NH2 minus that removes this beta hydrogen. So it is benzene intermediate. It gives benzene intermediate. So okay, OCH3. This OCH3 that is converted into the product, any one of these. So it will form. It can also form, but these two are not formed. Okay, this benzene, it is intermediate. It is strong. It is more reactive. Now this NH2 minus will react with that intermediate. There are two possibilities here, right? So this NH2 minus, it can attack at this carbon. It can also attack at this carbon atom. But where it will attack? That is important. So that depends upon the stability of that intermediate. Okay. Suppose if it attacks at this position, what you will get? You will get OCH3, if it attacks at this position, NH2 minus, you will get this NH2, you will get negative charge here, right? So this negative charge is more stable when compared with the other intermediate. If this NH2 minus attacks at this position, you will get negative charge here, which is more stable. This is more stable because it is very close to the strong minus psi group. So more stable. So now this one, it will take proton from the solvent that gives this compound. So answer is D. This is the major product, but it is the minor product. Okay? It is the major one, it is the minor one. Okay? So answer is D, and it is a substitution. Ultimately it is a substitution reaction. Br is replaced by NH2 group. Right? Okay? Understand? Right. Thank you. Next one. Consider this reaction. Which type of reaction it is? NaCN. Cn minus is a strong nucleophile, and its primary alkyl halide is given. So which type of mechanism it is? Which type of mechanism will it follow? It will follow SN2 mechanism because it is a primary alkyl halide. So for SN2 mechanism, in SN2 mechanism, which solvents are favorable? Which solvents? Polar aprotic solvents are favorable. Which is polar aprotic here? There is only one solvent, that is C, DMF, dimethyl formamide. Okay? So this is the polar aprotic solvent that is favorable in this reaction. Asking solvent. Okay? Right? Next one. Which of the following biphenyls is optically active? Which of the following biphenyls is optically active? Which is optical active? So what is the condition for optical activity of these biphenyls? In these biphenyls, the two substituents at a particular benzene ring, the two substituents must be present at ortho positions. Okay? So this in a biphenyls, the two benzene rings must have different substituents at ortho positions. Then only it will exhibit this optical activity. Answer is D. Answer is D. So इसमें is very small group it is, right? So it cannot exhibit optical activity. इसमें ortho position में substituents ही नहीं. So कैसे ऐसा करेगा? No. ठीक है? अब इधर दोनों भी same है. इधर भी no substituent at this ortho position. So again it will not show optical activity. So only one, that is D. Okay? Right. Next one. For the following reactions, these three reactions are given and asking the type of reactions. देखो इतना easy question पूछा. NEET 2016 में पूछा. Very easy, no? देखो अल्किल हाइलाइट्स आर कन्वर्टेड टू अल्कीन्स, कौन सा रिएक्शन है? सिंगल बॉन्ड बिकम्स डबल बॉन्ड, इट इज एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन. देखो हियर Br is replaced by OH, it is substitution reaction, and here double bond is converted to single bond, it कौन सा रिएक्शन है? It is addition reaction. ओ ये आंसर कहाँ है? A is elimination, B is substitution, and C is addition reaction. So answer is D. Answer is D. Okay, very easy question it is. Okay, next one. Thank you very much.